Okay, let's go.
Welcome to Fuzzy Overload, where the animals are the comedic geniuses. I'm just the unhinged director, bringing you clips from around the globe that will make you laugh, or will at least brighten up your day a little bit. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe button, also share and comment for more clips if you think I'm doing a good job. Now let's get started.
Hello everyone. Today I have a compilation of bird videos and clips that I think will warm your heart just a little bit. Let's not waste too much time and get right into it. Take this hamburger back, sir. I don't like puppy seeds. Whoever said dinosaurs aren't real? This thing is straight out of Jurassic Park.
Ножка барана. Дадим баранача. Взял и проглотил. Идем на руку. На, второй. Все, позовем. Идем.
Here's a nice variety of feed for all the birds of the neighborhood.
These birds are definitely spoiled. They have an array of different treats. find it amazing how they can flap their wings and stay in one spot. He sounds like a fine-tuned oiled machine.
Peacock. Very social birds. Like to see the males, they like to strut their stuff and spread their wings and show off their bright live feathers to attract females. The male's confidence beyond 10. There are more exotic birds to gaze at, truly beautiful, don't you think? The vivid, bright colors really draw you in. It's very captivating to watch. Those magic fingers, they do the trick every time. The sky's in heaven.
This is the most dangerous kiss I've ever had. And I've kissed a badger. In my nose, bro, come on. Mwah. This is a sacred iris. You will know it from its very long beak, which is made for probing. Watch, I'm gonna make a hole. What's in the hole? Nothing, doesn't matter. I'm just drawn to it. I'm drawn to holes. Don't say that. Now I feel something warm on my leg. Bro, did you just on me, bro? I thought we had something going on. You just pooped on me? So, okay, can we?
When it comes to communicating, it seems that the animal kingdom is universal. I love to see these different interactions. They understand each other is not a threat, and trust is formed. It's truly been my pleasure to bring you these clips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.